Well, all signs point to a very large number of cicadas emerging this spring in Pennsylvania. Experts say they will come up through the ground in mid-May after a 17-year slumber. They're not dangerous, but there is going to be a lot of them, close to the most we've ever had.
And when they come up, they pretty much have one thing on their mind, which is to find a mate and then start the cycle all over. While they are out, other than making a terrible noise, which will often annoy people, but that's just what it is, they will actually go into the upper parts of the trees and feed in the same manner they did when they were young.
Another thing, when cicadas emerge, so do cicada wasps. They are really large, up to 2 inches long. They say they won't bother humans. They are there to kill the cicadas.
Interesting.
All righty.